So again, working with chords. This time we're interested in the angles. And we have this formula that talks about the angle created by two chords that intersect inside a circle has a relationship with the intercepted arc and its opposite intercepted arc. So if we're looking here and we see that this angle OCM, that is this angle here, O here, C here, and M, that is this angle OCM. It is equal to the average of the intercepted arc OM and the opposite arc LN. So we would just put it into this formula here and fill in our missing pieces. So OCM, that angle we know is 55 degrees. That is equal to the arc O to M, which is 86 degrees. That is here. And the sum of that and the opposite side here, which we don't know, which is X degrees. And we take the average of those two arcs. So divided by 2. Now it's just using algebra to isolate our variable. So we use inverse operations. If we want to get at this x, we want to get at this, we have to unwrap it. So we first need to remove this 2, and then we can take care of removing this 86, and then x will be by itself. So relative to x, it looks like we're dividing by 2 here. So the inverse of that would be to multiply both sides by 2. So we'll have 2 times 55 degrees is equal to 86 plus x divided by 2 times 2, or 2 over 1. And you can see when we multiply fractions, we'll have a 2 on top and a 2 on bottom, which are going to cancel because 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's going to leave us here with 110 over here. 2 times 55 is equal to 86 degrees plus x degrees. Then we would subtract, because relative to x we're adding 86. So let's subtract 86 degrees from both sides. What we do to one side we need to do to the other to maintain the balance of this equation, to make sure they're both equal still. And these are going to cancel, leaving me with just x over here. And then if we were to subtract 90, it would be 20. So we've got 24 here. 4 and 20, left with 24. Just check here, 4 and 6 is 0, carry the 1. Yep. So 24 degrees is my final answer for x.